Hello, you are welcome to Kem's tutorial. Today I'm going to take you through an introduction to presentation software part 2, and precisely I'm going to talk about PowerPoint as an example of a presentation software. You have further presentations, as I've said in my earlier presentation. You have the freelance, you have the Lotus and other presentation softwares, but we are going to concentrate on PowerPoint. So to launch your PowerPoint, sometimes if the application, your app is pinned to the taskbar, you just have to click on it. As you can see from down here, from the taskbar, you click on it and then you launch your PowerPoint. So this is the PowerPoint. In the same manner, if it's not pinned to the taskbar where you cannot find it there to click to launch as a quick launch, what you do is you click on the start button, and this Windows is Windows 10, so click on the start button. This is the interface. Then you type PowerPoint. So as I started typing PowerPoint, there you have it, PowerPoint 2016 application. So just have to click on it to launch. Good. Now when you launch the PowerPoint, you have two options to choose from. Either you pick from a theme, that's available themes for you: Madison, Atlas, Gallery, Parcel, Wood Type, Kutabo, Berlin, Celestia, etc., etc. Or so you click on any of these templates, or you choose a blank one or a blank presentation. So we're going to choose first from the themes, then we'll come back also to pick from the blank presentation, and then we'll look at the two. So for example, we click on Gallery as one of the theme templates, then you click create. Good. So there we have it. So this is a theme template. Then you put all your necessary information within the theme that you've chosen. Now when you launch any of the themes, as I've done, you have the placeholder, which is a text box. We call it placeholder. Call it placeholder. Then where you've written click to add subtitle is the subtitle placeholder. So have the subtitle. Good. So you have the main placeholder and then have the subtitle placeholder. These are two text boxes that you work with. Even though you can add more depending, and if you want to add like the subtitle, add more text box to the placeholder, there's a way to go about it. If that happens, then go and choose on the layout. So click on the layout, and these are some of the available layouts that you can choose from. You have the title slide, you have the title and content, you have the section header, you have the two contents, you have comparison, you have title only, you have the blank, you have the content with caption, and then picture with caption. Good. So let's assume we choose the title and content. So this is what you have, the title, and then have the content also down here. So I've typed placeholder, and then subtitle placeholder. Right. After you're done with your first slide, then perhaps you want to introduce more slides. What you do is you have the new slide here. You click on that sheet, yeah, new slide to insert the second slide for you. Now, if you choose the type of layout we choose depend on the information you want to put across. So, for example, as I click on title and content, as you can see from the tool. Now, when I click on the subtitle placeholder, we see that we have embedded tables, charts. Insert chart, you can insert a chart. We can insert a smart art graphic. You can insert a picture. You can go online if you are connected already. Then you can also insert very short video. So all depends on the information that you want to put across or to your audience. That will determine any of these that you want to select, or even the layout, the type of layout that you have to choose from. Good. So this is how to insert a new slide if you want to add more slides. Chems tutorial. Good. Then this the themes that we can choose. Then we're also going to introduce how we can also choose a blank. If you want to do a blank presentation where you don't have any of this background color there, don't have any of these backgrounds, but perhaps you want to do your own, come out with your own style, then click on file, then move your cursor to new, click on new. Good. So this is your blank. We are back to as we launch it. So we click on blank presentation. So here you can see the slide is very blank indeed. There's no background color, there's nothing. Only what you can see is your placeholder and the subtitle placeholder. Everything at the background is white, is blank. So as we said earlier on, you go back, depending on what you want to put across, go back to your layout. Then you select this time. I'm going to choose 2 contents. Good. So let's put information there. So blank presentation, just an example. Good. So then we can put our own colors as we have in the theme template. So you come to, whilst you click on home tab, you choose shape fill. You have available colors that you can choose from, wide range of colors that you can choose from. Right? So choose gold. Whereas increase the font size. Blank presentation. Then with my first subtitle placeholder, we can also fill it with a different color. But this time I'm not going to use any other available colors here. I'm going to choose either gradient or texture, or even insert a picture. But I'll go with a gradient and a texture first. So click on a gradient and choose any of the available gradients. Come to the second one. Fill the shape. This time I'm going to use a texture. So you have different textures here that you can choose from. Good. So you can apply, you can format your own work so that the background will look to suit actually the information you are putting across to your audience, depending on one, the type of people you are presenting to, or the information you're carrying across, and then the sort of information you're also putting across. You can't just put any formatting at the backgrounds, but you really look at, you do what more of a professional work. So once you are done, you insert a new slide. This slide still comes blank, so you have to put in all your necessary informations, and then you format the backgrounds as and when it's needed. As and when it is needed. So these are the two themes we're talking about. We have the blank presentation and then have the theme templates. I did the blank one, and then I did the theme templates. I chose any of the themes, and then I've come to the blank presentation. Good. So this is just an introductory aspect. The rest of them will work on it next time. See you and have a good day.